Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most essential pieces of gear you can carry, the pocket knife. It's more than just a tool. It's a symbol of preparedness, a problem solver, and a workhorse that can get you out of a million tiny jams. But with so many options out there, how do you find the right one? In this video, we're going to break down the 10 must-have pocket knives for everyday carry that you can get on Amazon in 2025. We've got everything from award-winning designs to rugged workhorses and high-tech masterpieces. Let's get into the list. Number 1. Kirschar Cryo Pocket Knife. Kicking off our list is a modern classic, the Kirschar Cryo. This knife was a collaboration with renowned custom knife maker Rick Hinderer, and it shows. It won Blade Magazine's Best Buy of the Year, and for good reason. The Cryo features a drop-point blade made of 8CR13 mauve stainless steel with a titanium carbo nitride coating. What does that mean for you? It's tough, resists corrosion, and looks amazing with its matte gray finish. The real star here is the SpeedSafe assisted opening, which uses a flipper on the back of the blade to give you a quick, secure, one-handed deployment. It also has a frame lock with Hinderer's lock bar stabilization to prevent the lock from overextending. This knife is a rugged, reliable choice that feels great in your hand. Number 2. Spyderco Tenacious Folding Pocket Knife. If you're looking for a workhorse, you can't go wrong with the Spyderco Tenacious. This knife is an endurance machine built for all-day use. The full flat ground blade is crafted from 8CR13 mauve stainless steel, providing excellent edge retention and versatility. But what really sets it apart is the handle. It's made of a lightweight fiberglass reinforced nylon FRN with Spyderco's signature bi-directional texture pattern. This gives you a secure, non-slip grip in any condition. It's also equipped with a rock-solid liner lock and a 4-position pocket clip, making it a perfect ambidextrous choice for anyone. Number 3. Outdoor Edge Razorlight EDC Knife. This next one is a total game changer. The Outdoor Edge Razorlight EDC knife solves the age-old problem of a dull blade. Instead of sharpening, you just replace the blade. This knife combines the durability of a traditional knife with the razor-sharp precision of a surgeon's scalpel. It comes with 6 high-quality, razor-sharp blades that are super easy to swap out. The handle is a tough yet lightweight Grivory polymer with a non-slip rubberized grip. Whether you're cutting cardboard all day or field dressing a deer, this knife ensures you always have a perfect edge. Number 4. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter. No EDC list is complete without a true American classic. The Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter is a legendary knife with a timeless design that's been trusted for decades. It features a 3 3/4 inch 420 HC stainless steel blade that is razor sharp and holds a fantastic edge. The main feature, though, is its strong and reliable lock-back mechanism, which securely locks the blade open with a satisfying snap. The beautiful wood handle and classic brass bolsters give it a handsome look, and it even comes with a genuine leather sheath for easy belt carry. This knife is meant to last a lifetime, and it's backed by Buck's famous lifetime warranty. Number 5. Kizer Milita EDC Pocket Knife. For a blend of high-end materials and modern style, check out the Kizer Milita. This knife is designed as a reliable companion for daily tasks. The drop-point blade is made from high-quality German Nitro V steel, which is a fantastic choice for an EDC knife because it offers excellent corrosion resistance and toughness. The handle is where it gets really interesting. It's a 2-tone G10 that provides a great grip, and the handle patch is easily replaceable, allowing you to DIY your own custom look. You can open it with either a front flipper or a classic thumb hole, giving you total control. Number 6. Handmade Japan Damascus Steel Pocket Knife. If you want your knife to be a work of art, this next one is for you. This is a handmade Japan Damascus steel pocket knife. The blade is a masterpiece. It's a VG10 Damascus steel core that has been forged with 67 layers to create a stunning and unique pattern. Each one is a little different. The handle is just as beautiful, made from a combination of resin and maple that is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. It uses a reliable liner lock and a ceramic ball bearing system for a silky smooth one-handed opening. This isn't just a tool, it's a collector's item that you can still use every day. Number 7. Case WRX X Pocket Knife. Here's another American icon. The Case WRX X Folding Hunter is a traditional two-bladed pocket knife from a brand with over a century of history. This knife is a classic. It features two full-length blades, a clip blade and a Skinner blade, both made from true sharp surgical stainless steel. The beauty of this knife is its old-school charm combined with modern convenience. It uses a liner lock mechanism and has a thumb stud on the mid-folding hunter model for easy one-handed opening. It's perfect for projects around the house, the outdoors, and especially for hunting. It's a true piece of American history you can hold in your pocket. Number 8. Fintiso Pocket Knife. For the ultimate in outdoor readiness, the Fintiso Pocket Knife is a must-have. This knife has a secret weapon that makes it an essential survival tool. The blade is made from 14C28N steel, which is known for its excellent durability and sharpness. The handle is made of G10, providing a fantastic grip. But the most unique feature is the integrated fire starter function on the back. It's a small detail, but in a survival situation, it can be the difference between a warm meal and a cold night. It also offers two ways to open, a flipper and a thumb stud, and a solid liner lock for safety. Number 9. CRKTM 16-14 SFG Folding Knife. Designed in collaboration with the legendary Kit Carson, the CRKTM 16-14 SFG is a tough-as-nails knife built for tactical performance. What makes this knife so special is the automated liner safety. When you open the blade, a small pin automatically sets between the lock and the frame, providing an extra layer of lock security to prevent accidental closing. This knife also features VEF serrations, which are incredible for slicing through rope straps and other fibrous materials. The G10 handle gives you an exceptional grip in all conditions, making this knife a true workhorse. Number 10. The James brand the Carter. And finally, for the sleek, minimalist look, we have the James brand the Carter. This is a premium, no-frills EDC knife that is all about elegance and functionality. The Carter features a beautiful drop-point blade made from VG10 stainless steel, which is a fantastic choice for an EDC knife because it holds an excellent edge. The main feature is the ambidextrous slide lock mechanism. It's incredibly secure, easy to use with one hand, and gives the knife a super clean aesthetic. It has a reversible, deep carry pocket clip so it disappears into your pocket. While one customer mentioned they didn't like the thumb disc, I find it perfect for a knife with such a minimalist design. It's an instant favorite. So there you have it, 10 of the best pocket knives for everyday carry in 2025. Whether you need a rugged workhorse, a life-saving tool, or a beautiful piece of art, there's a knife on this list for you. Which one of these would you add to your EDC rotation? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching and stay prepared.